have follow the prompt journey. In prompt is nothing but, if you see prompt, something looks like this. It's a example of service prompt template. Then we are talking about dynamic grounding. So it's relevant high quality responses require relevant high quality input data as well. So the process of dynamic grounding starts with secure data retrieval, which identifies relevant data about customers from their org. And most importantly, secure data retrieval respects all of the Salesforce permissions currently which are in place in org, that limit access to certain data on objects, fields, and more. Then we have, so you can see here we have fields names such as organization name, contact name, customer history, conversation context. But if you see here, that's how it will be visible to the user. Then we are talking about semantic retrieval, which is not yet generally available, so let's not discuss this much in detail. It's nothing but it uses machine learning and search methods to find relevant information in other data sources, which can be automatically included in the prompt. Then data masking. Although the prompt contains accurate data about customers and their issue, but it is not yet ready to go to the large language model because it contains information like client and customers names, addresses. So the trust layer adds another level of protection to our customers data through data masking, which involves tokenizing each value so that each value is replaced with placeholder based on what it represents. So you can see here we have masked the data with the company name, just the generic word, so that our security won't be breached. Trust is maintained, so the customer's data is safe and secure. Then prompt defense. In prompt builder, which provides additional guardrails to protect customer and their data. These guardrails are further instructions to the large language model about how to behave in certain situations to decrease the likelihood it outputs something unintended or harmful. So you can see instruction defense we can add. Let's come to the quiz. First question is, how does dynamic grounding improve a prompt's context? First option is it overrides a prompt template. Second option is it hides any customer data. Third is it gives an agent full access to all data in a customer's org. And last is it pulls authorized, secure, relevant data directly from the customer's org and includes it in the prompt template. So last option should be the correct one. Second question is, what do the trust layers prompt defense guardrails help protect against? First is data masking. Second is prompt injection attacks. Third is tokenized data. And last is new prompt templates. So it protect against prompt injection attacks. Let's check. Let's wait for a second as well. If okay, so it's correct. Let's move on to the last unit of this module, that is follow the response journey. So we have just checked out the prompt journey. Now we'll go through the response journey, which has zero data retention. Then we have the response journey. So you can see that's how the reply will be coming to the user. Again, the masking will be there. We need to do the unmasking here, and toxic language detection also will be done. Then we will be having feedback framework, which is not yet available, but as you see its name suggests that it will be providing, means it will be allow the user to give some feedback, and the feedback will be collected, and in the future which it can be securely used to improve the quality of the prompts. Then we'll be having audit trail, where the trust layer show you and everything, it will show us the everything that has transpired during this entire interaction between the customer and our AI agent. So let's come to the quiz. Our first question is, what does zero data retention mean? First option, the person who receives the responses deletes the prompt and all its data. No. Second is the response remains masked. No. Third is the prompt remains masked. No. The last is the prompt, its responses, and all related data are forgotten by the LLM. So last is the correct one. So because of the LLM, it will be forgetting all the responses and prompts and its related data. So it will provide us more security to the customer's data. Second question is, how is the response scanned for toxic language? First is the end user reviews the response. Second is the response is sent to a panel of reviewers. Third is the Salesforce assessment tool is applied to the response. And last is a third party LLM checks and stores the response. So C option should be the correct one. Let's check. And that's how we have completed this module, that is the Einstein Trust Layer. And stay tuned for another video related to AI. And if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.